أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فورب السماوات والأرض إنه لحق مثل ما أنكم تنطقون অর্থ পবিত্র আল কোরআনের 51 নম্বর সূরা 23 নম্বর আয়াতে মহান আল্লাহ রাব্বুল আলামিন বলছেন যে আকাশ এবং জমিনের প্রতিপালকের শপথ, আকাশে রয়েছে তোমাদের রিজিক এবং প্রতিশ্রুত সমস্ত কিছু, তোমাদের বাক স্ফূর্তির মতোই এই সকল কিছু সত্য। Now I hope all of you are very good and enjoy life. Nowadays, science become very important in our life, especially research about sky research become more popular and very important subject. Many people try to overcome the sky. In religion of Islam, there are some rules about the sky. Many ayah of the Holy Quran about the sky. Many people and human beings are trying to overcome the sky, and how it is possible. Many scientists are trying to find out the issue how the human can overcome the sky. There are many ayah of the Holy Quran. I say at first of the beginning, I recite one ayah from the Holy Quran, Surah number 51, ayat 23. This surah contains 60 ayat and 3 ruku. I recite Surah Az-Zariyat 23 number ayah. This ayat are said about the human necessity, how we can solve our daily life, and we can enjoy the world life and the future Jannah. This ayat tell us. Nowadays, science become very important. Many fiction, many were become in the world for power increasing. Man want to increase their power, and they overcome the sky. Nowadays, sky research analysis become very important and popular thing. Who do the work sky research analysis they are most popular and honor to all of us. In religion of Islam, there are some rules about sky, and Allah is also say how we can overcome the sky and we can reach the sky. There are many discussion, there are many time about discussion of the subject. Now I will tell about the ayat, Surah Al-Zariyat, ayat 23. From this ayat, I create a new language. I hope the language will helpful for human to analyze sky research. The language I create, I take the letter alphabet from Arabic language. Arabic language is very important language and it is international language. I am a Muslim and all Muslim world people follow the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran is written of Arabic language. Allah give us the Holy Quran in Arabic language. So, to research sky, I take alphabet letter from the Arabic language. I make some different alphabet which is taken from the alphabet letter of Arabic language. The language will made by the rules of the Arabic language, but there are some different from the alphabet shape. Now I will see you the letter I create for science, modern science and sky research analysis. I take the alphabet from the Arabic language.
কম্পিউটার নিয়ে বসে দেখি কি করে ওকে পরীক্ষা দিস নাকি ওরা কি ল্যাপটপে দিয়ে করবে ফটো স্টেট করবে ওই ল্যাপটপ ফটো স্টেট
This is the first phrase. I write here alphabet from Arabic alphabet, Arabic letter, and you see that I create new shape for sky research. Here all the alphabets are same. There are no change in this alphabet. The alphabet is remains same of the Arabic alphabet. You see that here some alphabet, all alphabet of Arabic language remain same, but I create two new alphabet. Adam, the 30 number alphabet letter Adam, and 31 number alphabet, I give the name of this alphabet Akhin. You see, this is the alphabet letters. I hope this language will helpful all of us who are want to learn about modern science and want to research about sky and sky analysis, sky research, as well as want to know about the Holy Quran and Hadith. I hope this language will helpful to all of us to learn, as well as at the same time the Holy Quran, the Hadith and modern science, and it will help us and our future generation, and I hope this language will fulfill our expectation. May Allah bless all of us and grant us for Jannah. Allahumma Ameen. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.